In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to remember a colleague's birthday or simply want to send good wishes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in just 5 minutes. To start, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Press enter and you will be directed to LinkedIn's homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply use your email address and password. Logging in will direct you to your LinkedIn feed where you can start navigating. If you have two-factor authentication set up on your account, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity. You'll receive a verification code on the phone number associated with your account. Enter this code to proceed. While it might feel like an extra step, it ensures that your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile of the person whose birthday you want to find. You can do this by using the search bar located at the top of the LinkedIn page. Simply type in the person's name and select their profile from the search results. This will take you to their profile page where you'll find a variety of information about them. Now, you'll need to locate the contact info section, which is generally found within the introduction section of their profile. It may require a bit of scrolling, so take your time to browse the profile carefully. Once you've found the contact info button, click on it. This will open a pop-up window containing additional information that the person has chosen to share. In this window, if the person has decided to make their birthday visible to their connections, it will be listed under the birthday entry. This information is not mandatory to fill out on LinkedIn, so keep in mind that not everyone will have their birthday displayed. However, if it's available, you can now make note of it and perhaps even set a reminder to send them your best wishes. By following these steps, you should now be able to successfully check for a birthday on LinkedIn. If you encounter any hurdles or the person hasn't shared their birthday, remember that LinkedIn respects privacy settings, meaning some information might not be available to you. It's always worth revisiting this guide or exploring LinkedIn's help center if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials in the future. Have a great day on LinkedIn.